welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little mini swatch video of the new Colourpop Instant Crush Cream Blushes. They are super blendable cream blush that melts into the skin for a wash of soft focus color with a diffused natural matte finish. Infused with shea butter and a blend of strawberry, apricot, raspberry, and elderberry to give your cheeks some TLC. They are exactly how they're described, super blendable and very self-setting. I never set down my cheeks and they did set down matte, which was very nice to see. We're going to be first going in with the shade Whole Mood, which is a nice pinky peach. With this order I did get a free stipple brush, which is my preferred method to apply a cream blush. But for this first demo I did do it with my hands just to see how it went, and it definitely did well, but I was able to get more product and a better blend with the brush in my opinion. But it's super cute. I love this. It's a nice peachy pink, more on the peachy side, but very beautiful wash of color to the cheeks. I feel like this color completely matches my nails, which is fun. But like I said, it doesn't have any greasy texture to it, and it doesn't disturb the makeup underneath your skin, which some cream blushes can do. We're going in with Angel Energy next, and that is a soft baby pink. This time I used that brush I got from Colourpop for free, the little stipple brush, and I applied it to my cheeks, and I definitely preferred this method. You can obviously tell that the left side is more pink and the right side is more peachy. They do have 8 different shades in this. I would say they all range more on the pink side, but I'm sure that they're going to be adding more to the collection for like different holidays. It just seems like something really easy for them to do. For the third and last shade, we're going to be using the shade Bali Baby, which is a nude pink. This is probably the cream version of I Need Space that they did a collection with Kathleen Lights years ago, and that's my favorite pattern blush from them. I would say this is the cream blush version, which is sad because it's discontinued, and I've definitely hit pan on it, so this will be a nice addition. I need to look into their powdered ones to see if there's a similar tone, but this one's definitely the closest. Like it says, nude pink blush. But I think this one looked really pretty, matched my eyeshadow, and it kind of looks more on the tone of a sunburn a little bit, but there are the 3 shades next to each other, so you can see the different tones. Definitely all more on the pink side of the family. In line, it's Whole Mood, Bali Pink, and then Angel Energy. Bali Pink is definitely the darkest one that I have. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped you out if you were looking into purchasing one of those shades and you wanted to see it in natural light. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Bye!